Hey guys, in this video we are going to review the Vingli Kreepy Crawler Automatic Pool Cleaner. If you want more information, please start the video. Features. Quick installation. The Vingli is truly a work of art. Without the use of tools, you can get this pool cleaner hooked up and running in less than 30 minutes. The only thing you need to be aware of is whether the Vingli actually has enough hoses so it reaches both ends of your pool. Thankfully, it comes with 10 3.3-foot connectable hoses with a maximum reach of 33 feet, though it's built for 32-foot pools with an extra foot of slack for mobility. Smooth cleaning. The Vingli cleans pool floors with a level of finesse. The Vingli works by plugging into your pool's existing pump and uses water intake to suction in almost anything littering the floor and walls. The disc is made of heavy-duty rubber that's designed to clean any pool surface material, including concrete. Super efficient. This unit takes in a minimum of 1,700 gallons of water every minute, adjustable depending on your pump, and moves in a random pattern to suction away all litter from every corner. Virtually noiseless. What's truly amazing about the Vingli is that it's a powerful pool cleaning mechanism that hardly produces any sound. Admittedly, the pool's water will soundproof a lot of the noise coming from this cleaner, but even up close, there's hardly any noise coming from the suction. Decent wall climbing ability. The Vingli does a pretty good job of scaling pool walls to reach water lines to remove floating leaves near edges. It does a much better job at climbing sloped walls compared to rectangular pools, though there's the odd chance that it somehow scales walls from time to time. Pros. Running time is less than 30 minutes. Lasts long and easy to maintain. Soundproof noise from this cleaner. Pool floor and walls cleaning. Cons. Diaphragm requires frequent replacement.